Hi all, we'll be dealing with surds today, specifically how we can simplify or find the value of surds. What are surds? For simplicity's sake, let's put it as uh, values which do not have exact value. Expressions which do not have exact values. For example, root 2, root 3. Root 2 we know is a never ending decimal or a non terminating decimal, which is 1.414 and so on. So it's not repeating. Similarly, root 3 is 1.732 and it goes on. There is no pattern, there is no repetition. So we call it non-terminating, non-repeating, or non-terminating means does not end, and non-recurring decimals. Now, to find out the value of root 72, step 1, let's prime factorize 72 or write it in the form of factors. If we factorize it, let's say I start with 2, it's going to be 36, followed by 2 again, this is going to be 18, again this is going to be 9, 3, and then 1. That is 72 can be written as, how many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3. That is 2 cube followed by 3 square. That is the first step, which is prime factorization of 72. Now we can write down root over of 72 as, can we write it as 72 to the power half? Now 72 to the power half can be written as, what is 72 again? 2 cube and 3 square. So 2 cube and 3 square power half. Now we can simply multiply this, and let's break this as 2 square and 2 and 3 square followed by half. Now can we write down this as 2 square power half followed by 3 square power half followed by 2 power half? These, if multiplied, would give us the result 1 or 2, followed by this as 3, same reason, followed by root 2. Or we can write it as 6 root 2. We can't change this further. Therefore, we can say that root over of 72 is 6 root 2. We can't simplify it more because root 2 is a surd, or it does not have an exact value. For school problems, if we do have to find out the value of root over of 72, which was 6 root 2, we can take root 2 till 2 decimal values, which is 1.41, and we can write it as 6 multiplied 1.41, which is nothing but 6, and this is going to be 24, 4, 8.46. There is another way of solving this. This is for students who already have idea of square roots. See, because we don't have any value up here, that means it's simply square root. You can write this as 2 square, 2, 3 square, and 2. And remember that even if you do not write 2 over here, it implies it's a square root. It simply means that for every number occurring twice, we take it out only once. So if 2 is appearing twice, we take it out only one. Because 3 is appearing twice, we take it up only one. And because this is solo, it's not appearing twice, it remains inside the root, or 6 root 2.